So, how was your flight?
We had a wonderful flight today. We are started in Zell am See. It's around about 200 kilometers to the north from here, and we have overflown the Alps. And in the end, we are overflow the Belluno town, and now we are landed here. It's time for lunch.
How many balloons arrived in Sernaglia today?
Today, I think 5 balloons are landed here. We was one group from Austria, from Croatia, and from Germany, and all balloons landed here in this area. I think around 2 or 3 kilometers from here.
What do you think about Prosecco Hills? Are they beautiful?
So, nice question. First time I heard from Prosecco Hills, but we saw it and it looks wonderful. And at first we said we fly to Istrana, but today we saw a lot of airplanes, and it's a show. And we said, okay, it's nicer to land here, and we have found a very nice landing spot today.
Where are you going right now after the lunch?
Yeah, nice question. We have a good friend here, and he comes by car, and he drives us to Bassano del Grappa, and we enjoy the day in Bassano with some coffee and nice meal. And tomorrow morning after breakfast we go home to Germany. Und jetzt gibt's einen Schnaps. Now we need Grappa.